Hi guys, welcome to AL-Bayt resources. In today's video, I will be guiding you step by step on how you can apply for Azerbaijan government scholarship, which is now open for the citizens of the OIC and the non-member countries. The OIC and the non-member countries comprise about 124 countries. Those countries are eligible to apply for Azerbaijan scholarship. You need to check if your country is listed on this list. I have left the link in the video description so you can check whenever you have time. The scholarship programs provide an opportunity for selected candidates on annual basis to study in the leading universities of Azerbaijan. There are about 25 host universities participating on this scholarship. You need to check them to know which one offers your preferable course. The scholarship has 5 programs. Number 1, preparatory courses, which is for diploma and language course. Number 2, undergraduate degree. The maximum age you can apply for undergraduate is 25 years. Number 3, master's degree. The maximum age is 30 years. Number 4, doctorate degree. The maximum age is 40 years. And number 5, general medicine. The maximum age to apply for medicine is 30 years. Before I mention the benefits of this scholarship, I kindly request you all to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and comment below if you have any questions. In this YouTube channel, we do teach people on how they can apply for scholarship abroad without paying a dime. So let's continue. The benefits of this scholarship are: number 1, free tuition fees. That is, you are not going to pay a tuition fee. It is 100% free. Number 2, international flights. They will provide you flight ticket from your country to Azerbaijan, and each year during your section break, if you wish to go to your country, they will also provide you ticket to go and return. Number 3 benefit is monthly allowance. That is, they will be paying you 800 Azerbaijan money, which will cover your meal, accommodation, and living expenses. Number 4 is health insurance. And last benefit is visa and registration costs. That is, they will pay for your visa fee and registration costs. The next is the required documents. Number 1, you need to fill an online application form, which I will show you how to fill. Number 2, you need to provide copy of international passport. Number 3, you need to provide copy of your school certificates. For undergraduate applicants, you need to provide your SSC or high school result. For master's applicants, your bachelor degree certificate is compulsory. And for PhD applicants, your master degree is compulsory. The next is copy of a transcript of record, and the 2 documents must be certified by an official notary service. Number 5, curriculum vitae. You need to provide a CV in an European standard. I have left the link in the video description. If you need a CV format, you can check it at the video description. Number 6, you need to provide proof of English proficiency. It's not mandatory but preferable. That is, if you provide it, it will boost your chance. If you don't have, it doesn't disqualify you. Number 7, medical certificate. That is, you need to show that you are in good health, and the medical certificate must be certified by an official notary service. You can obtain medical certificate from private hospital or government-owned hospital. The next one is how to fill the scholarship form, which I'll show you how to fill it now. To fill this form, Firstly, you need to go to this website. You scroll down, then you click General Application Form. You can download this form. Then you need to download Acrobat Reader in order to fill this form online according to the scholarship instruction. So when you download Acrobat, you need to come here. You need to click Fill and Sign. Once you click this thing, then another page will load. You click Fill and Sign again. So it will now allow you to fill it online. So let us quickly fill this form. Firstly, you need to put your first name. Then you need to put surname. Then gender. To fill the gender, you need to come here and click this one and click this. Then if you are male, you put it on male. Marital status. If you are single, you click single. If you are married, you click married. Then you scroll down. To fill the date of birth, you need to come here, click this one, put it here, then put your date of birth. Citizenship. Here is your passport number. Then the expiring dates. Then you need to scroll down. Here is your contact address or home address. Here is your home address. Then your current address. If it is different from the home address, you need to fill it. For me, I'll just leave it. Home telephone number. You need to start with the area code. Then mobile number if it is different. If you have fax number, you can put, but I don't have. Then your email. Then the next one is your emergency contact. Relationship. The telephone number starting with the area code. Email. Then you need to scroll down. Here is your academic background. Then you start, if you have bachelor degree, you start from the bachelor degree. If you don't have a bachelor degree, then you just put your SSC. So I'll quickly fill mine, starting with the year. The institution. Here is the qualification. Then here you need to be very careful here. So you just need to drag this thing. Then it will enter in. Then the subject, the language of study, which is English. If yours is different, then you put the language of your study. Then the next one is to put my secondary school. Then qualification. I need to drag this one. Just drag it. Then put it here. In the subject, the mode of language of study. Then the next one is professional experience, which I'll quickly fill. Then where you are working. Your position. Knowledge of language. Here you have to indicate the knowledge you can speak. Then you rate it. If it is excellent, good, fair, and indicate IALT or TOEFL text result if you have. That is not mandatory. If you have, you put. If you don't have, it's not necessary. So for me, I can speak English. I'll put English. Then speaking, I'll just put excellent. Yeah, excellent. Writing, excellent. Then if you have TOEFL or SAT, you need to, or IALT, you need to indicate here. For me, I don't have. I'll just click. Then you scroll down. Proposed study in Azerbaijan. Which academic qualification would you like to obtain within current scholarship program? You just need to pick this one. If you are going for bachelor, you click bachelor. If you are going for master, you click master. Doctorate, general medicine. For me, I'm going for master. Which subject would you like to study? Here you have to indicate the course you wish to study. Then in which language would you like to study? Here you need to provide the university you intend to attend. So for me, I've gone through the university list they provided. So I'll just quickly fill this one. You can choose up to 3 universities, but me, I'll just leave it with 1 university. Then here you need to write a motivation letter. If you need a format on how to write a motivation letter, let me know at the comment section. I'll be glad to share a format with you. Then after that, you need to come here. You need to give a reference. I will just checklist for application package. You need to tick the document you attach with this form. So let me show you. Application form. I will need to send it. My diploma and transcript, I have it. CV, I have it. Copy of international passport, I have it. Document on general health, I have it. But I don't have English proficiency test, so I don't need to click on this one. Then the next one, I will need to write a date. Here, you need to print out the form. You need to sign it. Attach all the documents you indicated that you have. You need to send this document to the embassy of Azerbaijan in your country. But if there is no Azerbaijan embassy in your country, you can send it to the nearest embassy very close to your country.